it. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that often feels a bit invisible, but is super important for smart adulting insurance. You know, that thing we all think we don't need until we really need it. Get ready to see why protection isn't paranoia, it's just plain smart. Scene 1, Jaime's living room, okay? So here's Jaime. She's just sitting there, looking at a stack of bills, totally wide-eyed, probably wondering where all her money went. Jaime panicked. Seriously, what is the point of all this insurance? I'm careful. I don't need it. I always drive safely. My house is solid. I never get sick. Or at least, I try not to. Why am I paying for something I never use? It just feels like money down the drain every month. Another bill. And for what? Just a piece of paper. It's frustrating. It feels like I'm just throwing my hard-earned cash into a black hole. Is it just a giant scam, or am I missing something huge here? I mean, shouldn't being careful be enough? Scene 2, Penny rolls in, but wait, what's this? Here comes Penny. She's rolling in like a shiny coin, bouncing on the floor, all cheerful and energetic, ready to shed some light on the situation. Penny cheerful. Whoa there, Jaime, hold on a second. You're looking at it all wrong. Insurance isn't a drain. It's like your personal, super strong safety net. Think of it like this. It's always there, just waiting to catch you gently when life inevitably decides to throw a curveball and you trip up. You can't see it, but it's totally got your back. It's that invisible cushion that lets you breathe a little easier, knowing you're covered. It's not about if things go wrong, but about being ready when they do. Scene 3, Wallace appears with a briefcase, and who do we have here? It's Wallace, leaning coolly on his leather briefcase, his glasses gleaming with wisdom. Wallace serious. Exactly. Penny, and to put it more plainly, Jaime. Insurance is primarily designed to protect your hard-earned money and assets from those unexpected, often devastating financial hits. We're talking about accidents, unforeseen illnesses that can rack up huge medical bills, or natural disasters that can damage your home or car. These aren't things you can always predict or prevent, no matter how careful you are. Without insurance, a single major event could completely wipe out your savings and leave you in a very difficult financial position. It's about minimizing risk and maximizing your financial stability. It's smart, responsible planning. Scene 4, CryptoCat swings in on a cable cord, but wait, who's the new arrival? Oh, it's CryptoCat swinging in gracefully on a cable cord, landing perfectly on the table, tail flicking with a smug look. CryptoCat smug. Or, you could just YOLO everything. Live life on the edge. No coverage, maximum thrill. Who needs a safety net when you have raw, unadulterated optimism, right? Just cross your fingers, hope for the best, and ride that wave of uncertainty. Why bother with all those boring plans and premiums when you can just embrace the chaos? It's much more exciting, and you save a few bucks in the short term, Just trust in the universe. What could possibly go wrong? Probably nothing, right? Scene 5. Jaime looks confused. Jaime is just standing there, holding her head, the bills scattered around her. She's looking utterly confused. Jaime, but I haven't had any disasters yet. Everything's been fine so far. Do I still really need it? I mean, if nothing bad has happened, doesn't that mean I'm just wasting money? It feels like I'm paying for something that's always just asterisk, but never actually asterisk does asterisk anything. Maybe CryptoCat has a point. Maybe I'm just being overly cautious when I don't need to be. Isn't it just better to save that money and invest it rather than paying for something I hope I never use? Scene 6. Penny explains. Penny spins again, creating this amazing glowing safety net right under Jaime, making her realize something crucial. Penny, exactly, Jaime. That's the whole point. Insurance is specifically asterisk for asterisk, just in case. You don't see that strong, reliable net until you actually stumble and desperately need it. It's like having a parachute you hope you never open, but you're profoundly grateful it's packed when you jump. The fact that you haven't needed it yet is actually a good thing. It means you've been lucky, and your safety net has been silently protecting you, giving you peace of mind all this time. You wouldn't wait for your house to catch fire before getting fire insurance, would you? Scene 7. Wallace opens a chart. Wallace opens up a detailed chart showing medical, home and car with neat green check marks next to each category. Wallace: Penny's absolutely right. Think of it less as a cost and more like a strategic plan for managing invisible risks. It's about protecting your assets and your financial well-being from those large, unpredictable expenses that could otherwise derail your entire life. We're talking about comprehensive medical coverage to handle unexpected illnesses or injuries, home insurance to rebuild after a fire or storm, and auto insurance to cover damages if you're involved in an accident. These are essential layers of protection. It's far, far better to be safe and prepared than to face financial ruin and bankruptcy from a single unforeseen event. It's a foundational piece of any sound financial strategy. Scene 8. CryptoCat flicks a coin. CryptoCat, unfazed, flicks a coin that glows neon as it spins in the air. CryptoCat, or just roll the dice, baby. Just hope life's random number generator is feeling super generous. If it doesn't land on a catastrophe, you're golden. It's all about that high-stakes gamble, isn't it? Who needs predictability when you have faith in pure chance? Embrace the mystery. Fortune favors the bold, right? And if it doesn't work out, well, then you have a really exciting story to tell. Eventually. Scene 9. Jaime nods slowly. Jaime nods slowly, a thought forming in her mind. She imagines a cartoon storm brewing, with coins and bills raining down furiously, and then a strong invisible net appears, catching her and her valuables. Jaime, okay, I get it now. The safety net might be invisible to me right now, but that doesn't mean it isn't real. It's there, silently waiting.